everyone, welcome to the video and thank you guys so much for watching and thank you for joining me today to see what I got in my American Influencer Beauty Bundle. This is a $34 bi-monthly subscription, so every other month you will be billed $34 and you will receive, I think it's 6 to 7 full-size items. We'll get to the details in just a moment. I have to say, this box right here is actually a really good box and I'm so excited to open it and show you guys. We're gonna get into all the details and open it up and show you what exactly is in here, give you the details since we've never shown this box on my channel before. I do want to say that all the opinions are 100% my own in this video. They did send this to me in PR, so I just wanted to make that clear, but you guys know I am a very honest person, as you can tell from the last box that I got sent to me and it was a dud. I made that very clear. This one is not, so you definitely need to keep on watching because this is a good one, you guys. It really is. So if you guys would, please give this video a big thumbs up since I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing girl. And also, I have noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed, so if you would do me the honor and go ahead and subscribe, it would mean so much to me. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Now, I am going to read a little bit about this box with you guys since it is new on my channel. Also, if you are interested in signing up, I will have a code right here that you can use and you will save 10% off of your purchase. So right now, this beauty bundle that we're talking about is the June and July bundle, and it is valued over $150 for only $34. You will receive 5 to 6 different full-sized beauty products every other month, plus free US shipping. So what is the American Influencer Beauty Bundle? The American Influencer Awards Beauty Bundle is the first ever bi-monthly subscription bundle giving you exclusive access to influencer brands and products. Each bundle features a new influencer and their 5 to 6 full-size beauty products based on their passion and expertise, ranging from makeup, skincare, and hair care. Every bundle is valued over $100 for only $34, free US shipping. With each bundle purchased, $1 is donated to City of Hope for cancer research and our fight against COVID-19. So that's really great that they also donate to City of Hope. I think that's really amazing. So the last box that came out for April and May was from Guy Tang. So there was a bunch of like hair and skincare products, SE shampoo, hairspray, blowout spray. So that was what came out last time. And if you guys want a spoiler, the next box for August, September is actually PURLISSE. So it's going to be an entire box of PURLISSE products. And if I remember my email correctly, it's the watermelon collection. So there's going to be 5 to 6 full-sized watermelon collection PURLISSE products in there, which I think I'm going to get. I don't think they're going to send me another box, but I think I'm going to actually start getting the subscription because it actually seems so freaking good, especially because it's different from the rest because you get one brand to try a bunch of their products instead of just like one item every now and then you would get in like Boxycharm or IPSY or you know what I mean. This is one brand in this box, and for $1 less than Boxy Premium, I think this is a good value here. So let's go ahead and open it up. This is the Manna Kadar box. So if you guys aren't aware, Manna Kadar is an influencer brand. You've seen them a lot at IPSY, a lot in Boxycharm, and that is what is featured in this box. Again, if you want to get this box, I will have a code below so you can save 10%. I think especially next month with the PURLISSE products, it's a steal for $34. I'm just saying, which I'm gonna sign up for 100%. But anyways, let's get into it. So let's open her up. This is what the box looks like inside, and we do have a card here, and here's Manna Kadar, and it'll tell us the prices of every item that's in here. And let's get into it because I'm really excited. I've already opened this and I've already like peeked, but I haven't opened anything, and I'm excited, you guys. I really am. Okay, so the very first item on top is their hydrating face mist. Here it is. This is what the product looks like, and this has a value of $19, and it is known as one of the natural wonders of the world. The Dead Sea produces 12 minerals that are not found in any other sea or ocean. These ingredients, such as calcium, zinc, copper, magnesium, and potassium, are known for their ability to help soothe, cleanse, revitalize, and strengthen skin. You get 180 milliliters in here. I want to smell it because I didn't spray it. Oh, that smells really good. Okay. That smells so so good. I cannot, oh, and it's like nice and cooling. Okay, so here we go. This is the first item, $19 value. Very good here. I really like it. Ooh, feels good. Okay, sorry. Let's move on. Next up in the box, we have the Luxe Lash Serum. Lashes appear thicker, so I guess you're supposed to apply this before mascara. This has a value of $29. It says made with non-irritating proprietary blend of proteins and peptides. Daily use of this serum will condition and strengthen lashes for a fuller, longer, and healthier looking set. So it's supposed to help your lashes. So the directions is apply 1 to 2 times daily to clean and dry lashes. Allow serum to dry completely before applying additional lash products. So this is something that I am actually really interested in trying, because since I've been wearing fake eyelashes a lot recently, my lashes aren't as full anymore. So this is a product that I definitely feel like I really should try. Did I show you the packaging? This is the packaging. Okay, so here is the little bottle. It has a diamond on top, a little fake diamond, super cute. Here we go. I think I'm going to definitely try this tomorrow because obviously I can't today. Yeah, this looks like it's really going to get into your lashes really good. Can you see that? Is it going to allow me to zoom? Yeah, great. Okay, so I definitely want to give this a go, and I think the packaging, so cute, so cute. So yeah, retail $29. Next up, we have the Lip Locked Priming Gloss Stain, and this retails for $24. It's built-in primer for long wear and a smooth application. Innovative hydrating formula combines the properties of a lip gloss and stain, infused with nourishing vitamins A and E and berry extract. Do we know what shade this is? It is in the shade Sienna. Ooh, pretty. Okay, really pretty color. Excited about it. Okay. Doesn't have much of a scent. Let's give it a, ooh, pretty. Okay, very pretty color. Here it is. Okay, I think this is going to be a great shade for any skin tone because it's just a nice nude color. And again, it retails for $24. So yeah, I think that's a good one there. So far, just with these 3 items, it pays for the box. I'm just saying. Next up, we have the, this is called the Step 3 Uptown 3-in-1 Highlighter Shadow Blush. So this is in Fame, I guess, is the name of it? I guess. I don't know. Okay, this retails for $24. It's a long wear powder split pan duo, multi-purpose time-saving compact. Can be used as a blush, bronzer, highlighter, and shadow. Features 2 textures, matte and pearlized, that glide on smooth for easy application and a glowy finish. This is actually really great because their mission, I guess, for what the beauty products are is for a really simple, easy, fast beauty routine. So I get that. That's really great for people who just want to like spend 2 seconds doing their makeup and go. So that's, I think, what this brand focuses on is quick beauty. Okie dokie. So here's the outer packaging. Super simple, super nice. We open it. Okay. Oh, wait, these 2 shades are super pretty. Look at that. Super pretty. Here, let me do a swatch. Oh, this bronzer, like highlighter type shade is nice feeling. Okay. Very pretty. I can definitely see the bronzer also being a really cute all over the lid shade, even the pink. Love that. It's actually a really pretty blush color. I love that. Okay, so that is what this product is here. Love it, love it. Next up, we have the High Def Perfecting Powder. So this retails for $29. It's create a matte, silky, smooth finish while eliminating oil and shine. Long wear universal powder for all skin tones. Keeps makeup put all day long. Okay, so this is probably something that I would like to use when I'm doing my like flawless foundation routine, which I do all the time. I've noticed that the only powder for me that works really well is the Ciate London powder, which is like white and very finely milled. So I think this could be something that I would start using in my everyday routine. If you guys want to know what my flawless foundation routine is, I always have it linked in the description box. Go watch that after this video. Okay, so so here is the packaging. Simple and pretty like the other one. And you have the little holes in the bottom. Okay. Oh. It comes with a puff. Okay, so here's the actual product. I think it looks so cute. Can you tell the texture inside? There you go. You can see that texture. Super cute. Okay, let's take a nice feel. Feels nice. It definitely sets into the skin really nice too. So I definitely cannot wait to try this powder out. You can't even tell that it's like there, but yeah, this is a great product. I cannot wait to try that. And then the last one in the box is a mascara. And this mascara retails for $29. This is the Turn It Up Mascara, rich, creamy, long-wearing mascara that won't dry out your lashes or cause flakes. The custom wand reaches every part of your lashes, keeping them separated and defined for the perfect flutter with flair. Cute. Okay, so yeah, packaging. Here it is. Now, oh, you know what? This is the same exact print as what is in the powder. Okay, love that. Okay, so here's the little tube. It looks just like this. I love how like everything is themed and looks very cohesive together. So you could like see all Manna Kadar in a drawer and be like, it all goes together as a set. So here is the mascara. Let's take a look at the wand. It is volumizing mascara jet black. You get 0.34 fluid ounces. Okie dokie. Let's see what this wand looks like. Ooh, I can definitely see where this is volumizing. Look at that wand. Oh, you know how mascaras usually have that really like potent like smell? If you smell it, you could get a headache. This doesn't have that. Like I could sit here and smell it all day and it's not going to give me a headache. Oh yeah, this is definitely going to get your lashes nice and volumized. Okay, this is something that I'm very excited to try as well. So that is everything that came in this box. And honestly, I'm impressed. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Does this seem like a subscription box you can get behind? It's bi-monthly, so it's not every single month that you're going to have to pay $34. Again, if you want to sign up, 10% you save using my code. I'll leave it down below. And next month is PURLISSE, the watermelon collection. 5 to 6 full-size items. But anyways, I think this is actually really, really good. I really do. Like, I want to know your thoughts and opinions down below. Do you like that you're going to be trying out multiple items from one brand versus, like, say, Boxycharm and IPSY where you get one item? Like, I like the fact that this is for influencer brands and you get to try multiple items. So you really get to deep dive into the brand and try out more than one product instead of, you know, trying out one. You know what I mean? But anyways, again, thoughts and opinions down below. You know I love to hear them. And yeah, I think that this is a good box. I really do. And if they decide to send me another one, cool. If not, I think I'm going to sign up because I'm actually that impressed. I mean, I think we should start opening more subscription boxes on this channel instead of just basic, you know, boxy, IPSY, you know, whatever, but this one's a winner. This one's a winner. It's a winner. Okay. Anyways, that is it. If you guys enjoyed, thumbs it up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so, so much to me. I don't know why I'm still holding this card. Yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.